Once upon a time, in a small village nestled amidst rolling hills, there lived a poor man named Jhannu. He was known throughout the village for his irritable and quarrelsome nature. It seemed that he was always ready to engage in unnecessary arguments, and his temper flared at the slightest provocation. Jhannu's irascible demeanor had far-reaching consequences in his life. His business suffered because he drove away customers with his abrasive behavior, and he struggled to keep servants as they quickly grew tired of his constant quarreling. Whatever work he undertook, Jhannu seemed to encounter nothing but losses and misfortune. One fateful day, as Jhannu continued his usual habit of quarreling with a passerby, a saint happened to pass by the village. The saint, observing the scene, approached Jhannu and gently said, "Son, I am hungry. Can you spare some food for a weary traveler?" Jhannu, true to his nature, responded with irritation, "I'm already suffering, and now you have come to burden me with your hunger. Go away and find your own food. I have no time for your requests." The saint smiled serenely, unaffected by Jhannu's harsh words, and replied, "Son, I am simply doing my duty, and you are not fulfilling yours. Your way of living has led you to anxiety and constant losses. If you change your behavior, your life can change as well. No matter what circumstances you face, learn to find happiness within." Jhannu was taken aback by the saint's words and inquired, "What do you mean? How can I be happy when everything in my life seems to go wrong?" The saint patiently explained, "Son, a person's luck is not determined solely by external circumstances, but also by their mindset. A truly fortunate individual is not one who has good luck, but one who can find contentment and happiness in any situation. If you start appreciating what you have and find joy within yourself, your luck may begin to change." Jhannu was skeptical, but willing to give it a try. He responded, "But my living conditions are dire, and I have a nature that cannot deceive others." The saint nodded understandingly and said, "If you cannot deceive, then learn to remain silent. Silence can be a powerful tool. Practice two things in your life, silence and a smile. No matter what challenges come your way, remain calm and wear a smile upon your face." Intrigued by the saint's words, Jhannu decided to embrace this new approach to life. He resolved to change his behavior and outlook, hoping that it would bring about a positive transformation. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months, as Jhannu diligently followed the saint's teachings. Whenever a situation arose that would typically spark his anger, he forced himself to remain silent and wear a gentle smile. At first it was difficult, and he faltered many times. But with each passing day, Jhannu's ability to control his temper and find inner peace grew stronger. To his amazement, Jhannu began to notice subtle changes in his life. People responded positively to his newfound calmness and warm smile. Customers, once driven away by his irritable nature, returned to his business, bringing along new patrons as well. Servants, intrigued by the transformation in their once argumentative employer, stayed by his side, eager to be a part of the positive environment he had created. Not only did Jhannu's business flourish, but he also discovered a newfound sense of joy and contentment within himself. The losses and misfortune that had plagued him before seemed to fade away as he focused on maintaining his inner peace and spreading happiness to those around him. Word of Jhannu's remarkable transformation spread throughout the village, and soon, people from neighboring villages came to witness the change firsthand. They sought his counsel and sought to learn from his experiences. Jhannu became a guiding light, inspiring others to find happiness within themselves, regardless of their external circumstances. As time went on, Jhannu's fortune continued to improve. His business grew exponentially, and he became a respected and beloved member of the village community. His infectious smile and calm demeanor touched the lives of everyone he encountered, uplifting spirits and spreading positivity wherever he went. Jhannu's journey from an irritable and quarrelsome man to a beacon of happiness and tranquility became a legend in the village. His story was passed down from generation to generation, a testament to the transformative power of a positive mindset and the ability to find joy within oneself. And so, the tale of Jhannu serves as a timeless reminder that no matter the challenges we face, we have the power to shape our own destinies. By embracing a mindset of inner peace, gratitude, and a genuine smile, we can overcome adversity and create a life of happiness and fulfillment. Jhannu's story teaches us that true luck lies not in external circumstances, but in our ability to find contentment and joy within ourselves. So, let us remember Jhannu's journey and the valuable lessons it imparts. Let us strive to be like him, embracing silence and wearing a smile even in the face of adversity. For it is in these simple yet profound acts that we can transform our lives and inspire those around us. Decide now, dear reader, that no matter what challenges may come your way, you will always choose to smile. Let no one in the world be able to snatch the radiance from your face. Remember that whatever is meant to happen will happen, and worrying about tomorrow only steals the laughter from today. In the grand tapestry of life, it is the moments of happiness and inner peace that truly matter. So, let us embark on our own journeys of self-discovery and transformation, following in the footsteps of Jhannu, the once irritable man who found solace and success by embracing silence and smiling through life's ups and downs. May we all be blessed with the wisdom to choose happiness, to find contentment within ourselves, and to spread joy to others. And may our lives be filled with the sweet melodies of laughter and the gentle warmth of a genuine smile, for it is in these simple acts that true fulfillment resides. As we close the chapter on Jhannu's story, let us carry its essence within our hearts and minds. Let us remember that our destiny lies not in the hands of fate, but in the choices we make and the attitudes we adopt. With a smile on our lips and a serene calmness in our souls, let us create a future brimming with happiness, love, and unwavering peace. For in the end, it is not the wealth we amass or the battles we win that define our lives. It is the ability to find beauty in every moment, to embrace life's blessings, and to radiate joy to all who cross our paths. And with that, dear reader, may your own story be filled with laughter, love, and everlasting happiness.